Hey, it's Scott with L&S. We're out here in Warren. Gonna take care of this bad pipe cover we got on this house and add a damper vent. We're gonna be changing this pipe cover, and then we also noticed there's some bad wood, so we're gonna take care of that too. Most companies actually don't even do small repairs, so they either try to sell them the whole job or no job at all. Whereas with us, we actually take on small repairs like this. All right, let's head up to the roof and I'll show you what's going on up there. Here we go, we're up on the roof. We're getting ready to change this pipe cover right here. And then also there's some bad wood that we found when we did an attic inspection. And then the homeowner's gonna be adding a bathroom vent to their bathroom. So we're gonna add a damper vent and an exhaust tube to hook up to it. Right now you're just seeing the beginning process. We're gonna tear up all these shingles and expose any bad wood and change that. And then I'll put on a new pipe cover and some new ice shield and add that damper vent in. Well, we found the leak, changed the bad wood already. Now we're gonna put ice around all this area here, get it all prepped in nice. All right, we got this area all prepped in, ready to go. Ready to put the shingles back on it. Got a little 4x4 hole for the 4-inch insulating tube to go through. It's 4-inch insulating tubing right here that we use. All right, gotta make sure you tape on this tubing really good so it don't fall off. Put it nice around the pipe boot. Help reassure that you never get no leaks. Ice damming backing up. Make sure your shingles don't go too tight to the pipe boot, so that way it allows water to run down and around it. And then grab the caulk gun so we can reseal the shingles down. And we always caulk the top of the pipe here. Make sure that this lasts a very long time. Sometimes over the years they'll shrink and cause a little leak by caulk, and it'll reassure that that don't happen. And all these old shingles that we disturbed, now we gotta add a little caulk underneath them to reseal them down. Step on them, flatten them out, and we're all done. There you go, brand new pipe and a new damper.